Hey, what's up, YouTube? I ain't have a video in a pretty long time. You know, I'm not no real YouTuber. I just do this for fun. But anyway, quick update on the Jeep. I'm about to get this bad boy installed, take off the stock exhaust system, put on the Corsa, full Catback Corsa exhaust with the black tips. I got one box. Right now I'm at UPS waiting for the second box. You know, they ship me separately. And I got one box, but of course UPS always like to fuck up, and they delivered this one. Second box they tried to deliver, didn't deliver. I held it for pickup. They held it, then I come here to pick it up. The driver takes it back out. I'm like, come on, man. Now I gotta wait. So anyway, black tips, Corsa Performance. Yep. So, found a spot for the Bronx. For all my New York City people, y'all know how I get down in the Bronx. The Bronx is where it's at when you go to get your car repairs. And yeah, gonna get this bad boy installed. So right now, let me do a quick remote start so you can hear the stock exhaust. And when everything is said and done, I'll do another sound clip of the installed exhaust. That's my veteran's place. 92 Romeo 13 Fox. Those are my MOSs in the Army. Alright, so there's a remote start, stock exhaust sound. That's how it sounds now, stock. I'll be back when I get the other piece, take it to the shop, put it on the lift, have them put it in, and then we'll see, get another sound clip.